Hello everyone, this is Vidharrthini with an upgrade from Velammal campus Error. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to explain about Philatelic to you. Philatelic is nothing but the stamp collection, we all know that. But why we are collecting stamps also we know that. But in that question, why am I giving this the stamp talk? The reason for the stamp talk it is, for each and every day happening in the year, we have National Day, International Day, World Day and lot more days we have in each and every year. There's a lot of it. If we have 365 days, in the 250 days will be a special day. So that why we are being very proud of the special day, in the sense the only thing that they are doing to proud that special day is the stamp. They are releasing stamps for each and every special day in this world, for each and every year continuously, like frequently they are releasing. The reason is, after 100 years or 200 years, the reason why we can stand and speak about that era is the stamp, and that year we can know information about that country in that era. So each and every country is releasing for that reason, and they are stamp. Now if you just take a look about Great Britain, we have a lot of more stamps to speak about them. But we India, in 1947 we started to release our own stamp, but Great Britain they started in 17th century itself. From that time they are ruling us and they have started the releasing stamps. So how can we know that? Because of stamp only. So that is the reason we all are knowing more about stamps. If you are just doing for taking a special day like World Food Day, then you will just keep status in your mobile and WhatsApp, Facebook, your Twitter, whatever social media you have. But if you change your phone or your SIM card, everything will be erased. And the same thing, but if you just collect more stamps and if they release stamps, it will never be erased until last year. That's the reason we are collecting stamps. And so in 1 year I'm just giving a 1 week, 1 stamp, 1 day I'm just taking. And if I just look back through my YouTube channel or even my computer, after 5 years, if I just take for 1 week I will be having 4 days, so that I can also learn information about the stamp and you can also learn more. So if you want to learn more, stay connected with me, and today let us see what special day and let us see the stamp talk and interesting stamps. Hello everyone, this is Vidharrthini with an upgrade from Velammal campus Error Philatelic. And then last videos we saw interesting stamp. Those interesting stamps are, and then it is Franco General stamp, Elizabeth II stamp, and then Three Kings stamp, and also we saw the Pop Cracket and Tinny Tim stamp. Today also we are going to see few informations about the stamp, and before going on to the video, those who did not subscribe my channel, go ahead, subscribe it, and don't forget to click the bell button. Going on to our video, today the first stamp for our day, it is Angel Gabriel St. James Pangbourne. I really love this stamp. I wish to become an angel like her, but it's enabled. I'm just a human again. Okay, let's go on. This was issued by United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. And then the series of the stamp is Christmas 1992, the stained glass windows. And then the theme of the stamp is Angel, Art, Biblical Account, Christmas, Feast and Stained Glass. This stamp was issued in 10/11/1992, and then the size of the stamp is 41 into 30 millimeter. The color is multicolor, and then the format is stamp. The emission is commemorative. The perforation of the stamp is 14 3x4 into 14 1x4. The printing is Photogravure. The face value of the stamp is 18 British penny. And this is a Philatelic product. Very interesting. I really love this angel, And then going up with our second stamp for today. This stamp is, can you guess what is the stamp? Of course we cannot guess the stamp by just looking onto it. And then let me say the stamp name, Adoration of Magi. Not the eating Maggie, don't think that. And then the country is United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The series of the stamp is Christmas 1991, the Illuminated letters. The theme of the stamp is Biblical Account, Books, Christmas, Drawing. This was issued at 12/11/1991 and the size of the stamp is 41 into 30 millimeter. The color of the stamp is of course multicolor and the format is stamp. The emission is commemorative. The perforation is Com 14 3x4 into 14. The printing is Photogravure. The face value of this stamp is 18 British penny. This is a philatelic product and description of this stamp. Illuminated letter from Venetian manuscripts, Acts of Mary and Jesus. Adoration of the Magi. Okay, interesting one. Let's go ahead with our third stamp for today. Our third stamp, it is in European robin. Wow, it is a bird. This is European robin. Attackers Rebecca on railings and holly. And then this was released by a country, United Kingdom of Great Britain in Northern Ireland. The series of the stamp is Christmas 1995 to Christmas Robins. And then the theme of the stamp is animals, fauna, birds, and also a Christmas. This was issued at 30/10/1995. The size of the stamp is 41 into 30 millimeter. The color is multicolor and the format is stamp. The emission is commemorative. The perforation is Com 14 3x4 into 14 1x4. The printing is Photogravure. The Com is ordinary. The paper is 2 vertical phosphor bands. The face value of the stamp is 25 British penny. This is a philatelic product and the description is printed by Harrison. Yes, let me just tell you, we saw the printed by Harrison stamp, the Three Kings stamp and also the Philatelic stamp. Yes, and then going up with our fourth stamp for today. Actually, I have these 2 stamps of these and then the name of the stamp is The Three Wise Men, and this was issued by United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The series is Christmas 1994 and Children's Nativity Plays. And then the theme of the stamp is Biblical Account, Christmas and Feast. This was issued on 1/11/1994. The size of the stamp is 41 into 30 millimeter. The color is multicolor. The format is stamp. The emission is commemorative. The perforation is Com 14 3x4 into 14 1x4. The printing is Photogravure. The gum is ordinary. Paper is phosphor paper. And the face value of the stamp is 25 British penny. And this is a philatelic project and description is printed by Harrison. The same stamp we saw before also in Robin and everything, European Robin stamp and in Three Kings stamp and Philatelic stamp. And this is also the Three Wise Men is also printed by Harrison. And our last stamp for the day, it is Mary and Joseph. Okay, let us see. This was issued by United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The series was Christmas 1994 to Children's Nativity Play. And then the theme of the stamp is Biblical Account, Christmas, Feast. This was issued on 1/11/1994. The size of the stamp is 41 into 30 millimeter and the format is stamp. The color is of course multicolor. The emission is commemorative. The perforation is Com 14 3x4 into 14 1x4. The printing is Photogravure and paper is 1 phosphor band. The face value of the stamp is 19 British penny. This is a philatelic product and description is printed by Harrison. Most of the English stamps was printed by Harrison in those days. As it is 1990s, it was printed. I hope not now he is alive. Okay, maybe he's alive. And then, so now what we are going to do is we completed our 5 stamps for today. And then if you like this video, go ahead, click that like button and don't forget to share this video, comment it. And until then, stay connected with me. Bye.